according to the camera, I've only got 5% battery left, so I can't hang around. Let's go. Meatballs. Minced meat, cooked rice, chopped onion, garlic, finely chopped, raisins, cinnamon, cumin, beaten egg, mix. Nice dough. Golf balls. Bosh. Oil. Gently fry. Cook all over. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Cooked and rest. Sauce. Small onion, garlic, chopped tomatoes, beef stock, cider vinegar, paprika, ancho chilli powder, dark brown sugar, whiz. Finished whizzing. Nice looking sauce. Coriander, mint, fresh of course. Mix in. Nice sauce. Bit of oil. Sweet potato. Sugar, 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 sugar. Cook. Nice. Add sauce. Add meatballs. Season. Bring to the boil. Cover. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Then serve. Serve with beans or rice. It's delicious. Well, I've still got 1% battery left, which should be enough time for me to tell you a very funny story. You see, I was in this Mexican restaurant in Tucson, Arizona called El Parador. Sadly no longer there. Some of you may remember it. Anyway, I'm sitting there having my meal and this guy comes up to me and he says, "Hey,